Well, to basketball now, where it may be a different season, but it's the same story for the Princess Anne girls. Domination is what the Cavaliers bring to the table, and taking that on the national stage in recent weeks. The team claiming victory at the prestigious John Wall Invitational at the end of December in Raleigh. Of the 3 victories in the event, 2 coming over nationally ranked opponents, including Bullis out of Potomac, Maryland in the finals. The Cavs would follow that up with a lopsided win over Catholic last week in front of a sold-out crowd on their home floor. PA now a top 10 team in the nation, and the big victories just solidifying their success.
It definitely gives us motivation, and then they're not average wins. I think it's definitely just helping boost us, and people will know more about us. So it's definitely just getting us more exposure and then giving us more opportunities.
It's just making it better and better for the next years and the years to come. But it feels good, you know. It boosts the confidence, but we just know we got to keep working because people are going to come after us more. So it's confidence for sure.
Princess Anne back in action Friday, hosting